In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your expense settings in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just starting with QuickBooks or wanting to fine-tune your existing setup, getting your expense settings right is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and managing your budget effectively. Let's begin by navigating to the right place within QuickBooks Online. Start by looking at the top right corner of your screen, where you will see the gear icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open the Settings menu, the central hub for adjusting the various configurations within your QuickBooks account. It's always helpful to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it holds the key to making personalized adjustments to your account. Next, we're looking for the Account and Settings option, which you'll find within the Gear menu. Click on it to proceed. Once you've arrived at the Account and Settings page, you'll notice a series of tabs on the left-hand side. These tabs help you navigate between different settings categories. For expenses, simply click on the option labeled Expenses on this left panel. Upon clicking the Expenses tab, you'll be presented with all available settings related to expenses. This interface is where you can customize how you want to handle expenses in QuickBooks Online. Take your time to go through each of the available options. These might include settings for things like tracking and billing, preferences for handling billable expenses and purchase orders, and other specific options designed to tailor the software to your needs. Adjust these preferences according to how your business operates. For instance, if you frequently deal with billable expenses, make sure you've set QuickBooks to treat them accordingly. Once you've reviewed and made the necessary changes to suit your business or personal accounting preferences, scroll down to the bottom right of the panel. Here, you'll observe a button labeled Done. Clicking this confirms and saves all the changes you've just made. It's really important not to skip this step, or you risk losing all your hard work adjusting the settings to your specifications. That's it. You've successfully set up your expense settings in QuickBooks Online. By tailoring these settings, you ensure that your expense tracking is streamlined and accurate, which can significantly aid in budgeting and keeping your financial records clear and organized. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope this guide helps you manage your QuickBooks expenses with greater confidence and ease. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for more assistance.